Now I am going to discuss some advantages of AC over DC. Then you will be able to understand why we prefer AC to DC. Okay, come to the first point. AC voltage can be easily increased or decreased using transformer. Okay, but the DC voltage cannot be changed. Okay, now the second point is AC power transmission has low energy losses. Okay, since we know that the AC power is transmitted from the generation end to the distribution end through the transmission wires. Okay, and during transmission of AC power there is a loss of energy in the form of heat. Okay, and this energy loss can be reduced in AC, while in DC power transmission this energy loss is too high. Okay, so that we prefer AC to DC. The reason is, since we know that power is equals to voltage into current. Okay, this power is fixed, which is generated from the generation end. In the case of AC power transmission, we can increase the voltage. Okay, the AC voltage can be increased, so we increase the voltage. When we increase the voltage, the current will decrease. Okay, the current decreases and the heat energy is given by I square RT, where I is the current in the transmission wire, R is the resistance of the transmission wire, and T is the time. Okay, so resistance and time is constant. We can only reduce current for reducing the energy loss. Okay, so we decrease the current or reduce the current by increasing the AC voltage. Okay, so when the current decreases, the energy loss decreases. Okay, so this is not possible in the DC power transmission because DC voltage cannot be changed. Okay, now the third point is AC can be easily converted into DC. There is a circuit known as power supply. Power supply converts AC into DC directly and very conveniently. Okay, and this is the adapter for charging your mobile phones, and this circuit is known as power supply that converts AC into DC. Okay, the input is AC and the output is DC. Okay, and there is one more device that converts DC into AC, known as inverter. Inverter converts DC supply into AC supply. Okay, so the power supply is economical and easy to handle, whereas inverter is expensive and very bulky. Okay, so AC is easy to convert into DC. Okay, that's why AC is easier to convert into DC than DC into AC. Okay, now fourth point is AC is easier and cheaper to generate than DC. Okay, the AC power is generated at the lower cost and easier way than that of DC. Okay, For the same power, the AC is more convenient and cheaper than that of DC. Okay, please note it down.